McCormick Company has a job opening for National Director of Taco Relations. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be a dream job? So, anyway, they want a video. And then it's like, oh my gosh, I usually just talk about what I like to talk about. Tacos and, donuts and other food and things I do. I love to travel. And so I've almost been to all the states, but not quite. But, with social media, the world just opens up to you and all kinds of different things. And so this is a dream job. I don't think it has a taco truck, but you go on social media and you can find all these recipes. I do that every day already. And you know what? They come up with all kinds of different ways to make tacos. And one of the things that I tried today was a taco donut. And so I was down in Louisiana this year, and this gal told me to take refrigerated biscuits and deep fry them. So that's what I did, and put powdered sugar on them. Then I got to thinking, wow, what if you took and put tacos in there? Yeah, tacos in a donut. Well, this is what they're like. Look at that. Tacos in a donut. And then I got to thinking,